All right, let's look at the constant and linear functions. All right, so constant function is just simply, so constant function is in the form of f of x is equal to just a constant c. All right, so I guess c is a constant where c is a constant. Right? Then linear function is f of x is equal to mx plus b. So m is of course a constant and b is a constant and m is non-zero. Right? So this is familiar slope-intercept form. All right. So let's look at a couple of example to see if it's a constant function or a linear function, or it could be neither. All right. So let's look at the number 28. All right. So let's try to solve for y. So isolate y. So I'm trying to get rid of. Let's get rid of 9x and 6 at the same time. So we want to basically put those guys on the other side, on the right hand side. So we can do that by subtracting 9x and subtracting 6. So what's left is negative 2y on the left. Then you would have negative 9x minus 6. Right? Then if you divide by, since we would like to get rid of this guy, negative 2, we divide through by negative 2, so that we will end up with just y on the left is equal to, right, negative 9 divided by negative 2 would be negative signs cancel out, so you have 9 halves x. Right, negative 6 divided by negative 2 is a positive 3. All right, so you can see that this is in the form of mx, m being 9 over 2 and b being 3. So this is a linear function. So this guy is linear. All right. And how about the next example, number 26? Y equals 2 plus x over 3 plus 2 minus x over 3. Seems like there's a x and it looks like a linear function, right? But let's try to simplify first, right? So if you put those two fractions together, and luckily they already have a common denominator 3, so we have that. Then you have a 2 plus x plus 2 minus x. So you can see that x's cancel out. X minus x cancels out. And you have a 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. And the denominator is 3. All right? So you can see that this is actually a constant function. So this is a constant function. All right? So first you simplify the function and then try to see if it matches the format it's given. So constant function is a function, or y equals a number, and a linear function is mx plus b form. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.